DJ Khaled who's dancing like. Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before.
All you self-promoters are janky. We established
My favorite online clothing store, SheIn, got all my money this past paycheck, and so let's do a quick little haul. I am going on vacation, so a lot of this stuff is like dress up clothes or summery clothes because I'm going to a rather warm destination. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be lit. I'm gonna be trying stuff on for you guys. We had a blast this video, okay? Okay, so I have on the first two items right now. The first item is going to be the regular black bodysuit. I will have the pictures of the items from the website with the prices somewhere on the screen. The first item I'm trying on is this regular black bodysuit. Now, a lot of the reviews like were saying the straps are too long, the straps are too long, and I was like, what do you like, how could the straps be too long? Now I get it. The straps are like long. They are long, and the problem is not that they are long, the problem is that they are long and non-adjustable. So I'm probably gonna have to like tie these or something when I go to wear them, because the straps are too long. And the problem is, like, as you see, this looks fine right here, but if I was to like raise my arms high, this is so low on my breast that I'm gonna have a nip slip if I go to raise the roof. You know what I mean? I can't raise the roof in the club in this because I'm gonna have a nip slip, and that's not cute. So this item I'm gonna give a 7 out of 10 because the quality of it is okay and it fits my body nicely, but the straps is a big thing for me. The fact that they're non-adjustable, like obviously I can tie them, but that's annoying. Why wouldn't you just have adjustable straps? I really like it. I'm just gonna have to tie. Oh, okay, you see, that's the problem. You saw that? Yeah, I love SheIn, but SheIn, if you're watching this, and I know you're not, please, adjustable straps on everything, please. I'm gonna move the camera down because we about to look at my booty. All right, next we have the biker shorts, and I've never really been into biker shorts, and now that it's colder out, it's like I'm obviously not gonna buy them in October, but your girl's going on vacation, so I wanted to get a pair of biker shorts for vacation because I thought it would be so cute to just throw on and like live my life, you know what I mean? So I bought these, and I think they're super cute, but let me tell you my little gripes with them. So as you can see, super cute, fit nicely or whatever, right? Super cute, but they are long. And the website, I don't think, from what I remember, it didn't say high-waisted, but look at this. Look at how this actually fits. This is how this actually fits. And so I'm gonna give this a 8.5 out of 10 because the material is great. And they're not too short. They fit me nicely. They fit my body nice. They make my legs, my thighs, my butt look good. I like that. They don't look awkward like how some biker shorts can look. But my problem is that this is so freaking long. And the reason it's not a big deal to me is because when I pull it down, it doesn't look stupid. You know what I mean? Like easily worked around. I can just pull it down and it doesn't look absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, this I really, really, really like. I feel like I'm gonna have so much fun wearing these on vacay, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing them next summer around my house because they're like so comfortable, and the material is stretchy, but it doesn't feel like cheap spandex material. Like the material of this really is nice. I'm impressed. This one gets an 8.5 out of 10. So next we're gonna move into an item that I tried on yesterday, and honestly it kind of disappointed me, and I'll show you guys why. It is this strapless romper, and let me show you guys this. You see, you expect it to be just flat across the front, right? Look at how the material droops at the top of it. It like droops and curves. I don't know what is going on with that, and it is a problem. So let me show you guys. Let me put it on and show you guys. Okay, so this is the bodysuit on. Y'all, y'all see the problem, right? Why is this happening up here? The bottoms fit fine. The bottoms fit just fine. They're kind of short, but I mean, I'm going on vacay, so I could I wear my hoochie mama clothes if I want to. How am I supposed to wear this when it like flaps over like that? When I tuck it inward, it looks okay, but then the problem is like, oh, it's short. Now, yesterday when I tried this on, I tried it on with a bra to see if like a bra would like hold it, and no, the fabric is still flipping over. I thought maybe it was just because I didn't have any boobs, but no, the fabric is still like flipping over and being weird. I don't know. Honestly, this gets a 6 out of 10 for me because the material feels nice and it had potential. But actually, this is like a 4 out of 10. I can't even lie. This is a 4 out of 10. I think this is one of the only items I've ever gotten from SheIn that I just don't like and can't wear. All right, now I'm gonna move on to a shirt that I got. Oh my god, actually in love with this shirt. It looks so cute. Let me show y'all. I'm not even gonna talk too much. I'm gonna just show y'all. I feel like Rihanna and Wild Thoughts. Wait, that's DJ Khaled who's dancing like. This shirt is a look, y'all. This is a look right here. Sorry. Yeah, honestly, this right here, this is it. I think this shirt won the haul for me. Like, this is really it. Ooh, y'all don't even want it. This is so cute. I don't want to hear any comments about my shorts being short. I'm grown and I'm going on vacation. I don't care. Honestly, yes. Yes. This is it right here. Honestly, I really feel like freaking Rihanna. Rihanna wore something that was like vaguely similar to this in a complete opposite color. And I'm like, I feel like Rihanna. Girl, stop. This shirt is everything I envisioned. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 would wear this. 10 out of 10 would recommend. 10 out of 10 is bad. I'm on 10 people. This shirt makes me want to like sing and dance. Oh my god, I hope there's karaoke. Oh my god, my go-to karaoke songs are always songs from Greece. Shape up, cause I need a man. What now? Oh wait, I didn't hit it right. There's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Sorry, the talent jumped. Okay, sorry, this is a haul. Sorry, I forgot. Shirt, 10 out of 10 material, 10 out of 10 style, 10 out of 10 fit, 10 out of 10 would recommend, 10 out of 10 would wear it again. All right, next thing, I bought my mama some booty shorts, but they look so cute. I'm gonna try them on. I mean, I'll show you guys because I bought them, and I know they won't fit me, so I'm not gonna try them on because they're a large, but look how cute. They're so cute, and they have like the little, like ruche details, like to, like you could like scrunch them up, like to make them tighter and shorter. I think they're super cute. I'm like jealous. I should have got myself a pair. Dang it, mom. You always get the good stuff. All right, next we're gonna move on to another shirt. It is this like wraparound shirt, and honestly, it's a banger. Let me put it on and show you guys. All right, so it goes on like this, and then the straps are like really long, so you can tie it how you want. I'm gonna turn to the mirror. I know you guys can still see me through the mirror, so you can tie it like to the back or like to the front. I probably will tie it to the back because that seems like it'll be more comfortable, but you could tie it like up here, or you could just throw it to the back and then tie it like that. So this is probably how I would wear it. Yeah, I'll be wearing it like this. I think it is so cute. I'm like a bat. I'm like Batgirl. It's like so cute, and it's like droopy, and I won't feel too hot because it's like, but also I can be a little more conservative. I don't gotta show skin all the time. You know what I mean? And it's still cute. If I wanted it to be like a little more provocative, I could like loosen the tie, like widen the cut like that. Oh, that's a look too. I know the model had it a little deeper. The model's was probably like this or so, I think, like around there. But this, I'm comfortable with. I'm comfortable right here. Yeah, I think this is so cute. This gets a 10 for me. 10 for versatility, 10 for his style, 10 for the road. Would y'all believe that I just did the most in this dress just for the camera to be out of focus? I'm so over it. So this by far is my favorite purchase out of the whole haul. The cut is a little deep, but it's bomb. So yeah, the material is good, especially for the price, because I paid like, I think less than $10 for this dress. The material is like so good, especially for the price. I don't know if I'll be able to wear a bra with this, but I have feel like I need to. I have feel like I don't. I need to buy double-sided tape though. I need double-sided tape for this, and I feel like double-sided tape would help fix a problem with the romper that I had. But yeah, this in the slit is like at the perfect place. Let me move this so y'all can see. The slit in the dress is at like the perfect place, and the dress isn't too short, but it still makes my booty look really good. And I think that's really like what I'm here for. This is my aesthetic. It's dresses that aren't too short but still make your butt look good. That is what I signed up for in 2018. So yeah, this is my favorite purchase. This and the red shirt made the whole purchase worthwhile for me. This is it right here. Y'all see what I mean? Like, the cut is so deep. I don't know.
Lady. Howdy, my lady. As you was looking for a rootin', tootin', gun shooting.
Get out. Get out. So the last two things I purchased were accessories. One was this necklace that's like a layered necklace, and I have yet to open this. And the other was a pair of shoes that I'm literally obsessed with already. So cheap. And I forgot I got earrings too! I got the necklace and earrings. Oh my god, I'm so excited about the earrings. I forgot. That's how you know you have a shopping problem. I'm spending so much money on this website that I forget what I purchased. So the first necklace is one necklace that looks like a bunch of layered necklaces, and I'm so excited for this. This looks so dope. Please tell me if I'm still in focus, Paul. So this is the necklace that looks like a bunch of necklaces, and honestly, I'm living. It is so cute. Look at it. It looks like all like those cute necklaces that are in right now, but I only had to pay for one necklace, which works for me because I would probably only wear them all together anyway. Honestly, now that I've seen this together, how could I wear the dress without wearing the necklaces with it? Literally. Look, Pa. Look at the dress with the necklaces.
Looks really cute with the necklaces.
All right, next I got hoop earrings. I'm not going to try on any of the little hoops because they're little hoops. You know what they look like. But these, I remember when I was younger, because I'm from Harlem, y'all. So when I was younger, like, everybody used to wear these. Like, my older sister, my older cousins, like, the big bamboo earrings. Like, that was it. And I think they are so dope, and I still do. What's funny is I've had, like, these say my name on it. These are real gold earrings. This is some real New York stuff right here. But these say my name on it, and they're real gold earrings. And honestly, this was the wave. So if you're not from New York, you wouldn't know. But this was the wave. Do you like it or not? Mm-hmm. I feel like they're really big, but I feel like it could really be a look. I'm gonna put the big earring on with the necklaces.
Oh my god!
That's what I'm talking about. Y'all.
Drake TNG.
All right, now that I'm done obsessing over myself and jewelry, the last thing is gonna be the shoes that I bought. A pair of shoes. It's these, the classic Kim K. My toes look like sausages, clear heels. Just a clear heel, clear straps, nude base. You already know. These fit true to size, and that was dope because it's so scary ordering shoes online. This is my first time ever ordering shoes online because I'm afraid that they're not gonna fit me right. So really happy that these came fitting true to size, and that's it. I look much more decorated than I did when I started this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like and a comment, and subscribe to my channel para más videos como esta, and more videos not like this one because I'm versatile. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in a struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different.